Removing invasive or pest host plants at the root level is one of the most effective DIY pest control strategies available to homeowners. Start by identifying host species accurately using leaf shape, flowering habits, and seasonal traits because correct ID determines the removal method and follow-up. For small shrubs and vines, dig a trench around the root flare and use a handsaw or long-handled pruning saw to cut the taproot and remove as much root mass as you can. Work when soil is moist so roots pull more cleanly. For larger stumps, a stump grinder is the fastest mechanical option, but rent only machines you know how to operate safely and wear full eye and ear protection. And grind until the root crown is below grade by at least 3 inches, so resprouting is unlikely. Where mechanical removal is impossible and local regulations permit, apply targeted herbicide stump treatments immediately after cutting by painting concentrated herbicide into the cambium layer to stop regrowth. Always follow label directions and avoid treating within reach of desirable plants. After removal, replace the planting location right away with a non-host perennial or native ground cover to occupy the niche and reduce reinfestation risk, and mulch with clean material to suppress seedlings. Bag and remove all infested or seed-bearing debris from the site and dispose of it according to municipal guidance to stop spread rather than composting on site. Homeowners commonly undercut the problem by leaving root fragments that resprout, so dig deeper or grind to below grade depth after cutting to prevent regrowth. A second frequent issue is misidentification leading to using the wrong control method. If identification is uncertain, photograph the plant, note habitat and season, and reference a regional plant guide or extension service before acting. Many people also spread infested material in yard waste, so always double bag seed heads or woody cuttings and follow local disposal rules or take them to a transfer station to avoid spreading pests. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical guidance on removal techniques and product choices. Our site also helps contractors find work and join a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.